Greetings of the day. In today's class, we will start from question number 8, exercise 7.1. Question number 8 is in right triangle ABC, right angle at C, M is the midpoint of the hypotenuse AB. It means AM is equal to BM. ठीक है. C is joined to M and produce to a point D such that DM is equal to CM. DM is equal to CM and AM is equal to BM because M is the hypotenuse AB. ठीक है. And angle C is 90 degree. D is joined to point B show that first part triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Second part DBC is a right angle. Third part triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. And the fourth part CM is equal to half of AB. Okay. So given is, so in triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. M is the hypotenuse AB. So AM is equal to BM and DM is equal to CM, a given. Okay. And we need to prove the first part triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Second part angle DBC is a right angle, it means 90 degree. Third part triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB, and the fourth part CM is equal to half of AB. Okay. Now proof is, ठीक है, the first part in triangle AMC and triangle BMD, in triangle AMC and triangle BMD, AM is equal to BM given. Okay, suppose this angle is 1 and this angle is 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angles. Okay, and CM is equal to DM. It is also given. Okay, so by using side angle side, by using side angle side congruence criteria, triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. ठीक है, the first part proved. Okay, now second part, angle DBC is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now we have proved triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. ठीक है, suppose this angle is 3 and this angle is 4. ठीक है, suppose this angle is 3 and this angle is 4. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by using CPCT. Angle 3 is equal to 4 by using CPCT, because we have already proved two triangles congruent. ठीक है, so angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So these two angles a pair of alternate interior angle. ठीक है, it is a pair of alternate interior angles. So these two lines BD and AC will parallel. Okay, so it is a you can write here, it is a pair of alternate इंटीरियर एंगल, ठीक है, इट इज ए पेयर ऑफ ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स, ठीक है. सो वी कैन राइट AC, लाइन AC इज पैरेलल टू BD, ठीक है, लाइन AC इज पैरेलल टू BD. नाउ सी द फिगर, line AC is parallel to BD and BC is a transversal line. So these two angles, angle B and angle C, ठीक है, angle B and angle C are co-interior angles, angles on the same side of transversal, ठीक है, and the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now we will write AD, sorry, AC is parallel to BD and BC is a transversal line, transversal line. Okay, so angle DBC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree co interior angles, or you can say angles on the same side of transversal, ठीक है. Angle C is 90 degree, it means angle ACB it is given 90 degree. So angle DBC it will also 180 minus 90, it will 90 degree, ठीक है, hence proved. Okay, now the third part is triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB, ठीक है. Now we have proved two triangles congruent, triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD, ठीक है. So by using CPCT we can write AC is equal to BD, ठीक है, because triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. So by using CPCT we can write AC is equal to BD by using CPCT, ठीक है. Suppose this is one equation number 1. Now we will take two triangle DBC and triangle ACB. In triangle DBC and triangle ACB, ठीक है, in triangle DBC and triangle ACB, angle DBC is equal to angle ACB is equal to 90, ठीक है. DBC we have proved 90 degree and angle ACB it is given 90 degree. So it will, so both the angles will 90 degree. Okay, we can write, and BC is equal to BC common, BC is equal to BC is a common side, right, and AC is equal to BD using equation first, or you can write proved above. So by using side angle side, so by using side angle side congruence criteria, ठीक है, side फिर this angle फिर then side, ठीक है. So triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB, ठीक है, is congruent to triangle ACB, ठीक है. This is third part, hence proved, ठीक है. Now we will come on fourth part. CM is equal to half of AB. Now two triangles are congruent, so its corresponding parts AB is equal to CD, AB is equal to CD by using CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay, now we have to prove कि CM is equal to half of AB. So AB will as it is. CD we can write CM plus DM, CM plus DM. ठीक है, now it is given either DM is equal to CM. ठीक है, so we can replace this value because CM is equal to DM. ठीक है, so it will AB is equal to CM plus CM. ठीक है, so it will AB is equal to 2CM. ठीक है, so its value will be CM is equal to half of AB. ठीक है, the last part of this question. ठीक है, CM is equal to half of AB, hence proved. Okay, so I think this question is clear to all of you. Okay, now theorem 7.2, angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangles are equal. Okay, suppose ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC are given. ठीक है, so we can write given as ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC are given. Okay, and we need to prove angle B is equal to angle C. ठीक है, angle B is equal to angle C. The side opposite to angle B it is AC, and the side opposite to angle C it is AB. ठीक है, so AB is equal to AC are given, and we have to find the opposite angles to these sides. ठीक है, so opposite angle to the side AB it is angle C, and opposite angle to the side AC it is angle B. Okay, now in this theorem we will do some construction. Okay, so construction is, draw the bisector of angle A. ठीक है, so suppose this angle is 1 and this angle is 2. Draw the bisector of angle A. Okay, bisector of angle A, it means this bisector divide this angle into two equal parts, and suppose this is the D vertex. ठीक है, so draw the bisector of angle A. ठीक है, so AD is the bisector of angle A. Okay, now we will come on proof. ठीक है, now see the triangle ABD and triangle ACD. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, okay, AB is equal to AC given. Okay, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by construction, and AD is equal to AD common. AD is equal to AD common. So by using side angle side congruence criteria, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. ठीक है, so by using CPCT, angle B is equal to angle C. ठीक है, hence proved. Okay, so I think this is clear to all of you. Okay, so now this is sufficient for today. Okay.